Hi everyone, my name is Sri Lakshmi H.E. studying in 10th ICSC of Arvind International School. Today I am going to explain about soil resources in India. Firstly, what is soil? Soil is the thin upper surface layer of the mantle rock on the earth, comprising mineral particles formed by the breaking down of rocks, withered mineral particles, decaying organic matter, living organisms, water and air. The different types of soils found in India are alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, mountain soils and desert soils. The first type of soil is alluvial soil. It is formed due to silt brought by rivers during the course of their long journey. It is located in river valleys, deltas of Godavari, Krishna, coastal strip of peninsular India, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Bengal. The main minerals are potash and lime. It is deficient with organic and nitrogenous contents. The main features are it is very fertile, it covers 40% area of land. The crops associated here are rice, wheat, cotton, oilseeds and sugarcane. The next type of soil is black soil. It is formed due to withering of volcanic rocks formed by the Deccan lava. It is located in Deccan Trap, valleys of Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Tapi. Also in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The main minerals are it is rich in lime, potash, magnesium, alumina and calcium. Its deficient minerals are lacks nitrogen and humus. The main features are it covers 16% area of India. It has self-ploughing quality. The crops are tobacco, cotton, oilseeds. The next type of soil is red soil. It is formed due to decomposition of metamorphic rocks. It is located in the parts of Deccan Plateau, Kerala, southern states of Tamil Nadu, Chotanagpur Plateau. The main mineral is it is rich in iron. The deficient minerals are phosphorus, nitrogen, humus and lime. It covers 10.6% area of India. It is porous, crumbly and does not retain its moisture. It requires less fertilizers. The crops associated here are wheat, rice, cotton, pulses and sugarcane. The next type of soil is laterite soil. It is formed by intense leaching due to heavy rains. It is located in the eastern, western Ghats and Assam hills. The main minerals are it is rich in iron. It is deficient with potassium, lime, silica, phosphoric acid and nitrogen. The main features are it is acidic, porous, crumbly and coarse. The crops associated here are rubber, coffee, cashew and tapioca. The next type of soil is mountain soil. These soils occupy about 8% of the total land area of India. It is formed due to mechanical withering caused by rain, snow, temperature variation. The main features are they are heterogeneous in nature and their character changes with parent rocks and climate. The soils are rich in humus but are deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. They are found in hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Assam. The next type of soil is desert soil. It covers 4% of the total geographic area of India. They are found in regions which receive less than 50 cm of annual rainfall. The main features are the soil contains considerable amount of soluble salts. It is alkaline in nature as there is no rainfall to wash the soluble salts. They are found in western Rajasthan and southern Punjab. Finally, I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. M.K. Ashok sir, our principal, Saraswati ma'am, and our geography teacher, Suresh sir, who has guided us in making this video even during Corona pandemic lockdown. Thank you all.